It is a overcast day in the Taylor kitchen, and it's Sunday after church, and I have decided to just kind of putter around in the kitchen today and take care of some things. The first being a ham and bean soup that I'm going to do in my Instapot. Put this puppy on. We're going to put it on saute. I'll do medium high and then I'll turn it down. So onions. Oh, got me. Oh, make me cry. It's okay. Olive oil, yes please. Oh, okay. To cut up some carrots as well. I use organic carrots, and so as long as you scrub them, they don't have anything icky looking on the exterior, you really don't need to peel them. So I just chopped these up, and then I'm adding these into my onions that are sauteing away. It's a nice restful day to prep a good pot of soup. Still crying for that onion, my goodness. It's okay, it's gonna be all right. Next I chop up some celery, which is a fabulous aromatic for any kind of soup. I just lop off the top and the bottom. I really like it when I combine the celery stalks with the frill kind of at the top, but these were already bagged, so I went with it. They're pretty scrawny, but they're really delicious actually. Fresh and aromatic, it's amazing. No wonder celery juice is such a thing. While I was at it, I just cut up all the celery and I put the remaining pieces in a reusable, sealable bag for snacking. Some salt. I'm going to careful with the salt because I'm going to add a ham. The ham is super salty. Alright, so here's some chili flake going in. And then some oregano. Whoever would too. And some pepper. I grabbed my navy beans that I had soaked overnight and then paused to take a couple sips of my favorite jasmine tea. Now this ham I saved from last Thanksgiving. Crazy. And then all these beans go in. Now, reading through my Ninja Foodie book to see how long this might take. Water. Now we're going to do pressure on low for 10 minutes. You can see the beans have puffed up. They're perfectly tender now. And all I'm going to do is take this ham and shred it. And once I do that, put it all back in with the vegetables and the beans. And this was an absolutely lovely pot of soup. We've thoroughly enjoyed it on this cloudy day.